This is a fit for a 2021 and beyond Chevrolet Trailblazer with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima SkyLine JetStream base roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the SkyLine towers, and the landing pad 19s. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 27 3/4 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.